Our Kündig Food Safety Tower sets new standards in the cleaning of raw produce. What goes into the tower at the top comes out absolutely clean, regardless of whether the original produce contained even the hardest to detect impurities or foreign matter. The produce first undergoes heavy matter separation, double light matter elimination, and exposure to a self-cleaning magnet. With the 3 different laser systems, it is able to identify lignified residue, and the high-tech cameras for optical sorting can recognize up to 16 million different colors. The X-ray unit then captures hidden deficiencies that were not discovered. And finally, the metallic residue is pinpointed and eliminated by the metal detector. With this fully automated passage through the entire range of cleaning steps within the tower, the highest possible degree of purity is achieved within the bounds of today's most sophisticated technologies. Kündig safety and quality for food since 1920.